have the Director of the Department of Health, Dr. David Gifford, who is here to tell us how to safely beat the heat. Dr. Gifford, we have a lot of people that work outdoors. That's their job, that's their career. And what should they do? Because this is really oppressive heat to be outside.
Well, clearly the most important thing is drink lots of fluids. And if you're not going to the bathroom, you're not peeing, you're not drinking enough. And that's the quickest way to figure that out.
Now, is there certain symptoms, though, of lightheadedness, dizziness, things like that, that they should be aware of?
Certainly if you stop sweating, that's a really bad sign. You need to seek medical care. But if you're feeling dizzy or lightheaded, nauseous, confused, you're not making sense, sit down, get someone to, get the drink fluid, and they should seek medical care.
Talk about exercise. People want to be healthy, work out, and may not have a gym that's air conditioned. And I saw people today, I was up by Brown this afternoon, and I saw some people jogging. I said, I don't know how they do it. What do people do if they need some exercise and want to get outside?
Well, I'd certainly do it at the end or beginning of the day when it's cooler. Try to do it in the shade. And again, drink lots of fluids as you do that. That's really important.
I have a question to you as well, because I like to play golf and get out there and play golf. What about the salt tablets sometimes that you see people taking when they're out playing golf, or drinking the Gatorade, anything with a little more sodium in it too?
Well, usually water is adequate as you're eating other food. But if you want to take some of the different types of juices that have some salt in it, that also is helpful. If you're eating too much salt, that's going to make you more thirsty and want to drink stuff, and it's not going to help that.
Causes another problem then. Okay. Yeah. Now, yesterday, as you may be aware, that there was they lost electricity at a senior citizens housing complex. We think about the elderly. They're in this building. The electricity, the air conditioning goes out. What should they do?
Well, certainly we're worried about both the kids and the elderly and the heat. They're the ones that really suffer, so people should be checking in on them and helping them. Again, giving something cool to drink, or fans to keep them cool is really important. Light clothes as well. Don't bundle them all up.
I hear about that all the time. Light clothes, find the shade, whatever you can do to just maintain some kind of coolness. What about, too, sometimes people, I think they tend to ignore the symptoms a little bit at first if they're overheated.
Well, you tend to get confused, and when you're confused, you're not thinking as clearly. So if you notice someone's confused, you may need to remind someone to drink a little bit of extra fluid. That's important. And then again, the other thing is avoid caffeine. Certainly the sodas that have caffeine in it, because that's going to actually make you more dehydrated on top of the heat and the wind out there. Also, if you're in front of a fan and it's blowing, it's going to make you evaporate more sweat, and you're going to lose more fluid faster, so you need to drink more if you're getting a fan blowing you to keep you cool.
Okay, good advice. Thank you for joining us. Thank you very much.